everybody, I'm Rod with Johnson RV. We're in Sandy, Oregon, and really happy to be able to take a minute to show you this new arrival. This is a premium pre-owned leisure travel Unity in the Murphy bed model. This is 2019, beautiful condition. Whoever had it took very good care of it. This is in the champagne color. It comes equipped with some of the options that you're familiar with. It has cast aluminum wheels. It has the macerator system on it. It's got the generator, so a really complete little vehicle, and it's been very well taken care of. Come on in and we'll take a look at the interior. And just want to mention that helping me behind the camera is Sam Howell. And if you have any questions or need some details, you give her or myself a call, and we're glad to fill in the blanks. But again, this is the famous Murphy bed floor plan that Leisure Travel came up with. Got your little table for drinks, and then also your main table comes down out of the bed area and creates a dinette table. These recliners can swivel and turn and face each other, so you kind of create your own living space in this. Beautifully done, and they're cherry wood interiors, real wood veneers, real maple hardwood cabinetry. Entertainment system here. The TV is away when you don't want to see it. You have your view, but when you do, you've got a nice 40-inch TV. Galley area. And then let me turn the lights on back here. This is what the Murphy bed, one of the reasons it's famous is the bathroom, in this very large bathroom. It's big enough to where, hi guys, it's big enough to where if you can go in here, close the door, take a shower, get dressed, do your hair and makeup, and when you're ready, come on out. And that's kind of exceptional. Most vehicles of this size are about 25 feet long. You find yourself getting ready over here, getting dressed over here, you're doing your hair and makeup. So it's all done in the back bathroom. So what you have is 25 feet of living space in here. Nice floor area, and again, very comfortable surroundings. We hope you'll give us a call for some details. Again, it's a 2019 Unity Murphy bed model, and it's available now. Give us a call.